we got her all pretty much sanded up, and I just washed her with soap. Get all the nasty and dirt off, and then I'm gonna get all these windows taped off, and then hopefully we can throw some primer on her. Then we can really start seeing where all the flaws are. Yep. So I'm just waiting on it to dry up here. Got the heat on because it's kind of a little bit chilly. And then we'll see what happens. Alright guys, as you can see here, we got the whole thing taped up. Nice little line. Took that tape up underneath here. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe this whole thing down with some cleaner. And we're going to paint some primer on it. As you can see, it's already trying to rust on me. So yeah, I got to get this on. So here we go. Alright guys, so we laid a bit of sandable primer on here, and believe it or not, she doesn't look too bad as far as being beat up and stuff. You can see a few there. Normal. So yeah, tomorrow we'll get to sanding and find out where the low and high spots are. You see a little one there too. Other than that, another one down there. It ain't too bad. Of course, we got the biggest one right here, but I was pretty surprised. So we'll let all this flash off and dry, and do some Bondo tomorrow. So anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in. This is just a couple more clips of really what's going on. We're just focusing on the cab right now. So we still got lots more to do because, of course, I got to block sand all this to see where my low and high spots are. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. I'll try to produce a video Saturday and Sunday as well. So keep watching your YouTube for that. And if you want to get icons right away, or alerts right away, hit the little bell icon and it'll automatically send it to your phone. Let you know. Anyway, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. Until next time.